Almond oil has long been valued for its remarkable benefits for hair health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, it deeply nourishes the scalp and strands, promoting softness and shine. Its reparative properties help to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and soothe dryness or irritation. By incorporating almond oil into your hair care routine, you can support healthier, more resilient hair over time. Almond oil is a popular ingredient in homemade hair treatments due to its nourishing properties and lightweight texture. To use it safely, always start with a small amount to test for any allergic reactions, especially if you have sensitive skin. For best results, warm the oil slightly before applying it to your scalp and hair, ensuring even distribution from roots to tips. Leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper conditioning, then wash thoroughly with a gentle shampoo. Regular use can help improve hair softness, manageability, and overall scalp health. A simple almond oil scalp massage can be an effective way to boost circulation and support stronger hair roots. Begin by warming a small amount of almond oil between your palms. Gently massage the oil into your scalp using circular motions, focusing on areas where hair feels thin or weak. This process not only nourishes the scalp, but also helps relax the muscles and improve blood flow. Regular use can contribute to healthier, more resilient hair over time. Combining almond oil and honey creates a deeply moisturizing hair mask, ideal for those with dry or brittle hair. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, which help nourish and strengthen hair strands. Honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the hair and locking it in. Together, these ingredients work to restore softness, shine, and manageability, leaving hair feeling healthier and more resilient. Combining almond oil and coconut oil creates a powerful, deep conditioning blend that targets intensive repair and enhances shine. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and nutrients that help nourish and strengthen hair from within. Coconut oil, known for its deep penetrating properties, works to moisturize and smooth each strand. Together, these oils can revitalize dry or damaged hair, leaving it softer, healthier, and noticeably more radiant. Combining almond oil with aloe vera creates a gentle leave-in conditioner that offers multiple benefits for your hair and scalp. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, which help nourish and moisturize, while aloe vera provides soothing and calming properties. This blend not only helps to detangle hair, making it easier to manage, but also soothes the scalp, reducing irritation and dryness. Regular use can leave your hair feeling softer, healthier, and more manageable. Combining almond oil and yogurt creates a nourishing hair mask that helps restore softness and manage frizz. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, which deeply moisturize and strengthen hair strands. Yogurt, on the other hand, contains proteins and lactic acid that gently cleanse and condition the scalp. Together, these ingredients work to smooth the hair's cuticle, leaving it more manageable and shiny. Regular use of this mask can help revitalize dry, unruly hair, making it feel softer and healthier. Almond oil and egg protein are powerful ingredients for revitalizing weak or damaged hair. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, which help nourish the scalp and restore moisture to brittle strands. Egg protein, on the other hand, strengthens hair by replenishing lost keratin, the building block of healthy hair. When combined, these ingredients create a treatment that can improve hair elasticity, reduce breakage, and promote a smoother, shinier appearance. Combining almond oil and avocado creates a powerful mask designed to deeply hydrate and repair your hair. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that help restore moisture and shine, while avocado provides essential nutrients to strengthen and nourish each strand. This natural blend penetrates the hair shaft, addressing dryness and damage from within. Regular use can leave your hair feeling softer, smoother, and more resilient. A blend of almond oil and essential oils creates a fragrant and revitalizing hair serum. Almond oil is known for its lightweight texture and nourishing properties, making it ideal for moisturizing the scalp and hair. When combined with select essential oils, this serum not only imparts a pleasant aroma, but also helps to invigorate the senses. Regular use can leave hair feeling softer, smoother, and more manageable. Combining almond oil and banana creates a nourishing hair smoothie that helps restore shine and elasticity. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, which deeply moisturize and strengthen hair strands. Bananas provide natural oils and potassium, improving hair flexibility and reducing breakage. When blended together, these ingredients form a smooth treatment that revitalizes dull, lifeless hair. Regular use can leave hair looking healthier, softer, and more resilient. Almond oil. Hot oil treatments are a time-honored approach to deeply nourishing hair and addressing split ends. By gently warming almond oil and applying it to the hair, the oil penetrates the hair shaft, delivering essential nutrients and moisture. This process helps to repair damage, smooth rough cuticles, and restore shine. Regular use can lead to softer, healthier-looking hair with fewer visible split ends. To get the most out of your homemade almond oil hair treatments, proper storage and application are essential. Store your almond oil in a cool, dark place, preferably in a glass container to preserve its freshness and prevent oxidation. When applying, gently warm the oil between your palms or in a bowl of hot water to enhance absorption. Massage the oil into your scalp and hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper conditioning. Rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo to remove any residue and reveal softer, nourished hair. In summary, incorporating almond oil recipes into your hair care routine offers a range of valuable benefits. Almond oil is rich in essential nutrients that deeply nourish the scalp and hair, promoting softness and shine. Its natural moisturizing properties help repair damage, reduce breakage, and support overall hair health. By using almond oil regularly, you can enjoy stronger, more resilient hair that looks and feels revitalized.